Welcome to my second gardening video about how to start a garden with the proper mindset, part 2. Let's talk about family, finances, and failures today as it relates to gardening and the proper mindset. First, do not expect your family members to be as enthused about gardening as you are. It just may not happen that way. And a lot of people go in thinking that everyone's going to be as excited about gardening as they are, but that's just not the case in most situations. So don't get disillusioned when it happens. Just accept that people might not like dirt and bugs and sunburn as much as you do. Next is failures. You will fail no matter how long you've been gardening. It will happen. So don't try to be perfect. If so, you're just setting yourself up for a lot of disappointment. For example, one year I set up a greenhouse in the front field, and I decided I was going to use the tiller and till the ground to get all the weeds out before then. And the previous owner buried a lot of trash in our fields. So when I dug up some old wires, I wasn't surprised, and I continued working. And about 30 seconds later, my wife came out of the house and asked me if I had paid the phone bill. So there you have it. I just tilled up my phone line that the previous owner had buried only 5 inches deep. So it doesn't matter how long you've been doing this, you are going to fail. And lastly, finances. Gardening will not save you money when you first start. You're going to have a lot of startup costs with buying soil, shovels, grow lamps, grow lights, you name it. It's just a lot of costs up front, so don't expect to save money initially. But once you get established, you will save money on food. You grow a lot of nice, healthy food for your family. So that's it. Finances, family, and failures. Just know that before you get into gardening, and I think you'll have a much more enjoyable time doing so.